How you doing? Steve Knoble, Knoblemoto, here at Skid Mark Garage. Going to cover putting a motorcycle on a center stand. I've seen a lot of people complain about the difficulties of it, especially smaller frame people. I'm going to show you it's not that hard. This bike probably weighs 500 some pounds. We're going to pop it right up on there. So, step one, stand it up. Make sure the passenger bag is flipped up so you don't hit your shin on it. And you're going to use the toe of your right foot, obviously, to push down the center stand. And then you want to grab someplace solid in line with your foot, or as in line as you can get. The mass of this is done with your bicep and what is this, your quad, whatever muscle this is. I don't know, I fix bikes. I'm not a doctor. Anyway, so the mass of it is done with your leg and your right hand to actually lift up and separate right here. Don't drop your bike doing it. To lift up and separate right there. You're going to grab the bar a little bit with your left hand, but you're just going to steady it. You don't want to pull back. If you do that, you'll go crooked and probably end up dropping your bike like I just almost did. So, here we go. Right hand, and grab the frame right back here. Left foot's on the center stand pedal. Going to steady ourselves a little bit with our left hand here. And kind of lift with the right arm and push down with the right leg. Ta-da! It's that simple. Maybe do it again. Just demonstrate. Leave the kickstand down in case you drop it. Right leg, right arm, a little bit of stabilization here. Even small frame people can do it. Practice a couple times, have somebody spot you from the other side, but it's all just a little muscle delivery and where you do it at than brute strength. That's all I got. Click subscribe in the link below. Check me online, check out Skid Mark. Ride fast, take chances. Watch my head.